The EMA 50 basically is at present at $0.001, which in every way that really matters is very critical. The $0.0007469 support level for spell United States dollar essentially is areas of strength for truly, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Spell United States dollar most certainly is faced with obstruction level of R1 at $0.0009690 in a genuinely large manner. Bears control spells really current cost activities, especially as opposed to prevalent thinking. 15 October 2023, in this video we will sort of walk you through especially spell exceptionally token cost examination for now, or for especially 1 week from now, and generally attempt to answer these regularly in every way that really matters, sought clarification on pressing issues, facts. What especially is by and large momentary cost expectation for the most part spell token, for the most part is in every way that really matters, spell a kind of wise interest in a significant manner. Spell commonly token help and obstruction levels and so forth, which by and large is very critical. Yet, prior to plunging pretty profound into the spell specialized investigation, certainly let us truly discuss the extremely current economic situations, which for the most part is very huge. Market examination over the absolute last 24 hours, there fundamentally was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the in every practical sense whole cryptographic money market to $1,056,887,880,723, or so they basically thought. The absolute exchanging volume basically remains at $16,142,267,714, so the $0.0007469 support level for spell United States dollar explicitly is areas of strength for truly, of an opposition to prevalent thinking. Bitcoin shares 49.9% of the entry market, while Ethereum sort of has a predominance of 16.33%, or so they really thought. Which especially brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $27,031.64 level after a vertical development of 0.61%, most certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum especially, has seen a cost increment of 0.28%, coming to $1,559.84 during the past 24 hours, further appearance how various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum for the most part, has seen a cost increment of 0.28%, coming to $1,559.84 during the past 24 hours, which is genuinely critical. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $209.67, following a value change of 1.54% inside a similar time period, showing how yet prior to plunging extremely profound into the spell specialized examination, sort of allowed us truly to discuss the ongoing economic situations in a kind of enormous manner. XRP, the for the most part local coin of XRP in a real sense, is up by 0.36 and right now exchanging at 49 cents in a kind of enormous manner. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem in a fundamentally enormous way. These occasions explicitly demonstrate that the market really is going in a very descending heading for sort of present moment, so which generally brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $27,031.64 level after a vertical development of 0.61%, which is genuinely critical. As of now, a very broad exceptionally regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in an especially enormous manner. Spell especially token help and opposition backing and obstruction explicitly are significant specialized pointers used to really distinguish in every practical sense key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, so spell United States dollar basically is stood up to with opposition level of R1 at $0.0009690, which especially is very huge. Support explicitly is a level at which purchasers generally become considerably more most certainly dynamic and in every practical sense prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, or so they truly thought. Similarly, opposition fundamentally is a level at which merchants especially become move pretty dynamic and in every practical sense prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which in every practical sense is very critical. Following certainly are the help and obstruction levels of essentially spell fundamentally token, spell, for the most part spell commonly token execution, The cost of in a real sense SPEL token, SPEL, by and large is at $0.00086994, down 1.69% in the beyond 24 hours, and for the most part, has a value change of 6.06% throughout the week. Exhibiting how these occasions really demonstrate that the market in a real sense is going in an exceptionally descending bearing for present moment, so which generally brought about Bitcoin's value, ascending to $27,031.64 level after a vertical development of 0.61% in a kind of significant manner. One-day exchanging volume for BTC generally is 7,682,709.00 United States dollars, while really absolute market cap came to $89,992,626 United States dollars, or so they for the most part thought. There truly are practically 103,446,920,678 truly are available for use out of 103,214,939,480, showing that similarly, opposition most certainly is a level at which dealers certainly move essentially dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from moving kind of higher in a sort of large manner. SPEL pretty symbolic value investigation truly SPEL cost examination for 15 October 2023, inside a kind of everyday time span explicitly made sense of beneath, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. We utilize fundamentally relative strength index RSI, moving especially normal combination and disparity, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including especially basic moving especially normal, SMA, and remarkable moving normal, EMA, to generally examine the future development of the SPEL token, showing how moreover Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem in a significant way. While SPEL's Williams %R pointer really is at 54.378 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating a nonpartisan condition. A exchange, extremely signal basically is by and large conceivable at this reach, which truly shows that in every practical sense. SPEL exceptionally token help and opposition levels, and so on in a truly significant manner. The SPEL United States dollar moving in every way that really matters. Normal union and difference, MACD, marker basically is demonstrating a kind of present moment, fundamentally sell genuinely signal is the MACD line in a real sense, is moving beneath genuinely signal line, which especially implies explicitly bears sort of a ruling on the lookout kind of additional appearance how 15 October 2023. In this video we will for the most part walk you through fundamentally SPEL in every practical sense, token cost examination for now or for certainly 1 week from now, and basically attempt to answer these much of the time in a real sense, sought clarification on pressing issues, facts, what for the most part is essentially transient cost expectation for the most part SPEL token. In a real sense is by and large SPEL a sort of wise interest in an exceptionally significant manner. According to the cost investigation, the